rocky coastline of Santa Catalina Island. Here, a variety of marine life flourishes in the island's waters. The island's rugged terrain supports a diversity of habitats. From coastal chaparral on dry hillsides to dense oak woodlands in the deep canyons. Santa Catalina Island is 21 miles long. She lies 22 miles offshore of Los Angeles. The Pacific Ocean profoundly affects the island's climate. The fog provides the island with a vital source of moisture. But the island also has a profound effect on life in the ocean. Just 22 miles offshore of Los Angeles, Catalina is a paradise for marine life. But why should marine life be so abundant around islands anyway? It all comes down to habitat forming structure. Out in the open water, places to hide and food are few and far between. These jack smelt are constantly on the move. Few fish are better adapted to life in the open water than the scombreeds, which includes the tunas and the mackerels. Here, the school of Pacific bonito. These guys are built for speed, with teardrop-shaped bodies and a lunate tail, shaped like a crescent moon. This provides maximal thrust while generating minimal drag. Brief periods of upwelling may bring in large schools of fish, such as these sardines. They feed on the plankton that is abundant in such coastal waters. Although there's no physical hiding places, open water fish have special adaptations for disappearing into the blue. Having darker backs and lighter bellies makes the fish difficult to see from all directions. This is known as counter shading. While the silvery sides on these fish may seem conspicuous, it is actually a neat trick. Because the fish reflect light from the surface, they practically disappear when viewed from below. While a large school like this may at first seem like an easy target, moving in unison makes any one fish a difficult target. This way, the fish are able to take advantage of the vast resources in the open water surrounding the island. Here, even a little drift kelp is enough to attract fish that otherwise wouldn't be here. Shoals of half moon and blacksmith. Even the tiniest blade of kelp provides refuge for some small mysid shrimp. Most of the seafloor is sand or mud, and here little life is apparent. Structure dramatically increases the number of species present. Even artificial structure, like this dock, will do just as well. Even in the shallows, rocks provide shelter for fish, such as these juvenile opali. Although they are safe from most larger fish here, they still have to keep an eye out for wading birds. So schooling may help protect them from these predators. The more eyes on the lookout, the better chances of detecting danger in time. Being in the rocky intertidal means that one has to contend with surf and waves. No easy task for little guys like these. But the rocks offer a degree of protection from the pounding surf. Living in groups means that there's more eyes on the lookout for food. But it also means you'll have to share. Opali are herbivores, and algae is a real treat. But like the Garibaldi, they'll also eat small invertebrates that live on the algae itself. Garibaldi and blacksmith are damselfish and occur further away from the equator than most members of their family. Opali are sea chubs, another group associated with more tropical waters. Fish whose ancestors came from the equator play a much bigger role here than in the northern Channel Islands. In warmer years, much more recent migrants can be found in Catalina's waters, such as these fine-scaled triggerfish from Mexico. While these fish are just rare visitors, the other fishes are superbly adapted to their own habitat. These include some of the most spectacular forests on Earth.